Alright, hi everybody. Quick video on how much rest do we need between our exercises. So I'll first talk about the HIIT exercises, which are high intensity interval training cardiovascular exercises that I'm sure a lot of us are doing these days at home because of the lockdown. So if you're an absolute beginner, somebody who's not trained at all before, your rest to exercise ratio is 3:1. So if you are say doing burpees as an example of an exercise for 30 seconds, you will take 3 times the rest, which is a minute and 30 seconds, and then go back and do the same exercise again, and you can do this exercise 3 to 5 times, 3 to 5 sets, and then you can take a break of 2 to 3 minutes and move on to doing some other exercise. So that's for beginners. If you are an intermediate athlete, you have decent cardiovascular strength, then the recommended rest time is 2:1. So if you are doing burpees, same exercise as an intermediate athlete for 30 seconds, you should ideally be resting for a minute, twice as much, and then go back and do the same exercise again, 3 to 5 sets, and then take a break and then move on to the next exercise. If you're an absolute advanced athlete and you've been training for really long, the recommended rest time is 1:1. So in that case, if you're doing burpees for 30 seconds, you take a 30-second break and then you start again. You can in fact break it down further is to go even lesser rest. So you can do 20-second burpees, 20-second rest, 10-second burpees, 10 seconds rest, and that would work the lungs a lot more. So that's for HIIT exercises. Next, I'll move on to resistance training. So if you are performing an exercise wherein you are kind of doing 12 to 20 repetitions, now in such exercises you are basically developing endurance. So in these exercises, the rest time can be anything from 20 to 30 seconds, and you may go up till a minute also, and then start the exercise again. A lot of body weight exercises would fall into this category, and even somebody who's in the gym and training on light weights, 12 to 20 repetitions, this is what they should be doing, looking at the rest time. Then if you are in a hypertrophy zone, which is you are in a rep range of 6 to 12 repetitions, these can be extremely complex body weight exercises, or it could be weight training. Now in this zone, you should ideally be resting anything from 30 seconds to 90 seconds, a minute and 30 seconds between your exercises. So if I'm doing say single arm push-ups, alright, and I can do 6 of these, then I would take maybe a minute and 30 seconds as rest, and then I would go back again doing the same exercise, again 3 to 5 sets, and then take a break and move on to the next exercise. Then if you are doing absolute strength training, which is something like a 3 rep range to 5 rep range, now in this the rest time goes higher. Here you would rest anything from 2 minutes at least, going up till 5 minutes. So again 3 to 5 sets, and then you can take a break and then move on to the next exercise. So that's the kind of rest time that you need between the various kind of exercises that you perform. A session should last around an hour and a half to give you maximum results. Right. I hope you like this video and you found this video and the information shared to be useful. Thank you.